Hello guys, we're back to my video. So today, we're going to play tower. So, anyways guys, I'm Lovat. So, anyways guys, before this my video, so time to the description. So, anyways guys, so we're going to wait this. So, I'm gonna just play. I'm now going to play. So, we're at the yellow or not. We're at the white. So, I'm gonna beat that game. Only got 0% or 56. Okay. Okay, that's good. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm doing it. Okay, go. I said. Yes. Why there so many obby? Okay. Why there so many obby guys? Let me know. Okay, I only got 6. Okay. Let me just do like this. Okay, so I know us guys. Stage 7 I think is, but okay, that's good. What did I just do? Turn on or not? I just turn on like this. Okay, so anyways guys, only got 9. Stage 9 I guess. So I'm gonna be speed run. We need to speed run this again. So anyways guys. So we're gonna beat this game for a pink obby or pink tower of 100 stage I guess. So anyways guys. Okay, yes. Oh my god, oh my god, I'm eating. Okay, so I only got 15. So it is good or 16. Give me a 16 right now. 16. Yes. Ooh. Yes. Yes. I'm gonna speed run this. Okay, so anyways guys. This is the easiest game possible yet. So anyways guys, we're gonna okay. So anyways guys, we're going to be easy mode. So that's the easiest game. This game. This game is so cool. So this is the United States, I guess. I got stage 20, so I guess. So we're gonna beat that game, I guess. So anyways guys, we're going to speed run this like this. Oh. Ouch. Ouch. I need to beat that game. Good. Bugatti. It's a Bugatti. So please subscribe to my other channel. Oh my god. Come on, stop it. Please, let me speedrun this. Okay, so we need to just speedrun this. So I should just run very, very fast. So I'm gonna just scroll. I'm just going to. Why does my jump is so weird? Because why does my jump is so weird? I need to be speed on this. Oh! 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 Ouch! Ouch! Okay, so we're gonna be something. True phone in hand. Okay, we're gonna beat that game. Okay, so anyways guys, we're gonna beat this game, entire game. This is the easiest game. So anyways guys, so I only got stage. Stage. What? Okay, so anyways guys, this is the easiest game. Boo! Okay, so anyways guys, that game. It needs SSP and Ronaldo. So that's okay. So we're gonna beat that game. Oh, it's the speed boots, the jump. So I'm a robot because I'm wearing the hat. Robot. Robot and Roblox character is okay. Ow! Ooh! Ouchie! Ouch! Ouch! I wanted to just speed run. Ouch! Huh? How? Huh? Oh wait, I should do this. Okay, so anyways guys, we're gonna beat this game for pink obby. For a big obby. Oh my god, okay, the pink obby. The pink obby is the pink obby. So my mom is gonna fix it. Hey! Ooh, hey, I got 37 please. 37. Please, please. Oh my god. We need to beat that game. Yes! Come on, we need to beat that game! For when? Oh my god, what just happened? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so this is this game. The imposition, yes. Imposition, yes. Imposition. I got 41, guys. 41, please. I need to beat that game. I need to beat this game. I need to beat this game for a while, okay? So the I am flying. Why am flying? Ah. Ow. Ouch. Ouch. Yes. I can't do this. Ow. Oh. Wait, let me get stuck. Ouch. 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 Please. Please. For me, just let me just heal. Hey, Roblox, can you heal now? Can you heal now? And second. Oh, what is this game in a puzzle? Okay. I got 50. Okay, so anyways, that is easy game. So I'm gonna climb the ladder and also let's be focused. Focus, my dear, okay? My dear of a princess of the in the Kalo, I think. Oh, oh my God, I'm going to low health, guys, please. Ah! Oh no, I'm gonna getting here. Okay, so I only got 58, 59, I guess. So anyways, guys, that is this game. That is easy. So I'm gonna just speed run. Now I can run very very fast. Yay! Yay! Oh! Okay, so anyways, oh, oh, what's so much? Hey, I love you. Oh, ah! I got 61, please. 62, please. Fantastic. Yes! Yes! I wanted to beat that game. Oh, oh, ah! 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 Okay, okay, okay. Focus, focus. Pancake. Pancake. I'm a pancake. I'm a pancake. Okay, so this is this game. Why there's so many bricks? Why is it graphics so weird? It smells so bad. Oh my god. Oh, oh, oh my god. Santa looks like weird. Oh my god, only I'm reaching now. Yes, I'm reaching up. I'm fighting. I'm fighting. Okay, so I'm gonna beat that game. Okay. So when we're gonna wait, I should just go choose like this. Oh wait, only got 70, 72, 73, please. 73 again. Only got stage 20. Why there's so many checkpoints? Look, all okay. I don't know. All I know is this. Skip stage or finish obby. So I need to finish obby. I like seeing it. I'm about to. I'm about to. Ah, come on. I'm gonna get low in health. So honest, guys. Ah, wait. I should just try again. Ah. Oh my god, this is so hard. This is so hard. Ah. Ah. Oh my god. I should just do this. Okay, so we're gonna beat that game. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Lumine, okay, so why there's so many bricks there in graphics? Why this graphics look so good? Only is this easiest game in the world. So this game is really good in lesson of detention something of the principle. So ano is this? New avatar is new. And that is the new avatar looks simple. So I'm gonna just beat that game. Oh my god, okay. I'm a punch. Help me. Ah! Pancake, pancake. I wanna beat that game, please. Oh! Yes! Ah! Yes! Oh my god, I'm gonna beat. Come on, I need Hello Kitty or something and another. Something and another. Something and another. Okay, so this this thing. This not ours. Oh no! I'm a pancake. Ah! Oh no, I got zero. No! Oh, oh. My god, oh my god, oh my god. No! I'm low bat. Oh wait, Goblin. Dory Journey? Journey? Oh wait. Bro, it was still here in a very long time. Bro, it will take an hour. It will take an hour. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god, this is the easiest game. Oh, Goblin Journey? Okay, that's good, okay. So might it's simple, okay. So Indonesian and also Philippines or English. English, Philippine, Japanese, or USA. I don't know the combination. USA or Philippines. Let me know in the comments, okay? What is USA of United States? You. Ow! Wait, I should not do that. Okay, so I'm at low in health because I didn't even low in health in Minecraft. So it's the highest health in history of United States and Philippines and also Japanese and also I don't think what is Russia and also in Philippines I guess. So otherwise guys, I don't want to live in Philippines. I need to live in USA or Philippines. Let me go. One, I need to just die on something. Okay. Ooh. Pancake. Pancake. Pancake, huh? I will say that every time. I'm a pancake. I'm a pancake. I'm a pancake. I'm a pancake. Ah! Look at me, I'm wiggling. Ow! Oh my god, I'm gonna get no hand. I'm gonna get help, please. Please, let me revive. Roblox, please. Let me revive, please. Okay. Revive. Come on, revive, please. Oh, what? It's supposed to be 100. Are you dumb? Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Okay, so, anyways. My bros are getting annoyed because of this Roblox category. Oh, my new avatar looks sick. Guys, I look like a robot. Okay. I look like a robot. I'm a Roblox to take this. Okay. Why I look like a robot to take this? I'm a pancake. Come on. Let me, oh no. Come on, let me in. Please. Please, just let me in. I wanted to be a pancake. Ah, my pancake. Ah. Oh wait, I should not go. Okay, come on. Okay, so anyways, I'm not gonna. I would. What the heck? Exclamation. Why? Wait. Exclamation. Like, exclamation. Done. Okay, so anyways, guys, what has happened? What is that? I mean, what is that? Unito no minus. Unito no minus. Okay, so I like this game. Game's so awesome. I got person. Come on, I need to beat that game, guys. I need to beat that game because it's still 100. Ah! What the heck? Why? Come on, I didn't even die. Oh! If I fall, it will respawn. It will respawn, I guess. Okay, yes. Ouch. Ouch, my ball hurts. Ouch, my balls hurt. Oh my god. I got my balls. Okay. So this not weird. This not weird video. This the awesome video. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Yes. Yes. We're gonna have a low in health. I'm wanting to just die, I guess. Okay. So what else, guys? Guys, easy. Ah. Yeah. A pancake, please. Please, I wanna be a pancake. Oh, pancake! Oh no, I'm gonna get no now, please. Please, let me revive. Oh. Oh wait, I should just push this over next to it because it's so fast. Highest speed on internet. Okay. Yes, come on. Come on, we need to beat that game. Yay! Yay, I just beat that game the whole time. Can I just trap myself or not? Trap myself? Yes! Who? Who? So, ano guys, what is about this channel? Make sure to subscribe. So, ano guys? Goodbye guys.